Hi, Austin Fox here in beautiful northern Michigan, here to show you the Woodeze Camp Stove. Portable, the legs fold right up, very easy to do. Assembly is very quick. The pipe just slides right down onto each other, spark arrestor up top. We have extra pipe available. Granted, we didn't need to go that tall. Removable 6-inch plate. You obviously got the door. Fire going right now, and it's working great. We've got hot water in the kettle, which is a separate unit. It's a 3-liter unit, stainless steel, solid. And assembly was simple. No tools required. It was about maybe a 3-minute process. And here we are. It comes with the bags, a bag for this, and a bag for the kettle, which is, separate of course. But this comes with gloves as well, which is nice. Carry case, 25 pounds, easy to move around. You can use it anywhere. You can put it in a tent. I'm going to use this in my ice shack. I'm excited for that. And overall, a great unit.